So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're starting to have random battery drain inside of your iPhone running iOS 18.2. Now, the very first thing I recommend doing is making sure you're rocking iOS 18. So the very first thing I recommend doing is making sure you're rocking iOS 18.2 and not iOS 18.2 beta. So make your way over to your settings application like this, click on your general settings here, click on software update, and just make sure you're on basically the main update, not the beta. So just make sure of that. Now, if you can guarantee that, the next thing I recommend doing here is to go through and make sure that your iPhone's battery settings are properly set up. So scroll over to your battery settings here, whether you're on iOS 17 or iOS 18.2, it's going to be probably the same process. Make your way here, click on, first of all, your battery health, and make sure your battery health is normal. If your battery health is not normal, then go through and make sure that you either replace your battery or just understand that your battery life may not be that great all the time. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, another thing you can do for the most part is check charging optimization. You might just want to make sure that your charging optimization isn't actually going through and actually limited. If you're on 80% limit, that's going to limit the amount of battery life your phone is going to basically charge up to. So make sure that's not the issue and just go through and basically do those things. Now, if that still doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, you can try going through and restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, power it off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. So those are pretty much the main things to kind of keep in mind here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.